Hi, my name is Michael Kenny. I'm a systems designer and researcher for IBM Cloud.
Hi, my name is Gabriela Campagna, and I'm a cross-product design lead for AI products at IBM.
We're excited to share our recent introduction of enterprise speculative practices here at IBM, where we were able to bring a new toolkit that is specifically a speculative design toolkit within the current design thinking practices, otherwise known as enterprise design thinking here at IBM.
We were looking at bringing speculative design to IBM. Both of us actually have a background in speculative practices and strategic foresight, and we noticed a white space within the current tools and methodologies that we use when approaching user-centered design at IBM. And so one of those was really thinking about how to design for the future, how to plan for a future in which we want to see our designs come to life. And we knew that we'd have to figure out a special and unique way to IBM to bring our backgrounds into this environment.
Yeah, we knew that we weren't going to be able to just give somebody a presentation telling them about what speculative design was. So we actually wanted to come at this from a kind of Trojan horse method. So we worked with some of our own internal cultural initiatives, the primary being our variable magazine that we produce here in-house. And we worked with them and some writers around IBM to invent 5 short stories, short design fiction stories that were based on some predictions that had come out of IBM research called 5 and 5. So we worked with the writers, we edited those, and we put it together and published it. Once we published that project, it got a lot of attention here internally at IBM, and we were invited by the GM of design to present the outcomes of that project. In that presentation, we were able to pitch that speculative design should really be a part of the enterprise design thinking practices. And so he tasked us with creating a scalable, repeatable, democratized method in which we could introduce speculative design as a practice here at IBM.
So throughout our process of bringing speculative design to IBM, we learned a lot about how you bring this kind of methodology into an enterprise environment. And we're looking forward to the opportunity to share our learnings, our outcomes, some tips and tricks, so that they also can bring speculative design to their respective environments as well.
Yeah, specifically, we want to be able to talk about the right message for the right audience. How do you gain adoption as you're moving both outward and up within an organization like this? And then also, how do you create a toolkit so that any kind of audience can extract value out of it? So whether that's creative value, social value, or business value, it's important that everybody has some ability to gain something from this practice.